Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting straight to the controls. You wake the MacBook Air, unlock it, and open Control Center in the menu bar. This is faster than digging through apps. Once done, identify the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth tiles. Those are the two switches that form the only real airplane mode equivalent on Mac OS. Make sure you can access system settings quickly. If either icon is hidden, you'll show it in Control Center preferences so you can toggle both switches without delay. Now do the core action, disable radios. Click the Wi-Fi tile and choose Turn Wi-Fi off. This severs the network link immediately. Next, click the Bluetooth tile and select Turn Bluetooth off, which stops connected peripherals and prevents new pairings. Also switch off AirDrop and Handoff in settings to remove local discovery and continuity. You do this because Mac OS lacks a single airplane switch, so turning both radios off replicates that state and prevents wireless signals from transmitting or accepting connections. Finish by confirming radio status. Look at the menu bar and ensure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth icons show as off. No glowing icons, no connected device names. If an icon is missing, open System Settings Control Center and enable Show in Menu Bar, then toggle again. If a toggle doesn't respond, restart the Mac or run Bluetooth and network service resets in terminal. Make sure to save work first. That single troubleshooting tip, re-enable the icons in settings, fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.